Alright guys, welcome to another Two Eagles Garage episode today. This may be our last one on this old mower. I only have a few things left to do. Got my sidekick out here helping me.
Hello.
Say, how are y'all?
How are y'all?
Alright guys, I got a new fuel filter right here. I also have a new air filter and a new pre-filter in our, where's our John Deere bag?
Right here.
In our John Deere bag. Yep, these parts come straight from the John Deere dealer because apparently our little small town dealers around here won't deal in John Deere parts because they're exclusive John Deere parts. Go figure. Didn't cost me much though, $33, not bad. So we have a new pre-filter, new air filter, new fuel filter, and a new fuel cap going on. And then the only thing I have left to do is one of these cables right here needs adjusted a little bit for the throttle. I don't know exactly which one it is. I'll walk around here in a few minutes and show you. And then she should be ready to run, guys. Alright, what are we going to put in, baby girl?
The air filter.
Alright, that's the pre-filter, right?
Pre-filter.
Alright, you're going to want to turn it over and put it foam side down. Now you got to pull it out and turn it back over.
This side?
Yeah, we can put it that side down.
But you put it this side down.
No, look, you got to put it like this. Okay? And then there's a little piece up under there that slides up under. Alright, hold on there. Guys, I think you can really put those pre-filters both ways. I like to put the foam down. That way when it deteriorates, it doesn't suck up through the carburetor. Helps keep it out of your carburetor if the air filter's bad. And then, what you putting on now?
The air filter.
That's right. Alright, get it down in there good. Alright, press it down all the way around the black seal, okay? Even up here. Alright, now the cover goes on like this. Hold on, we got to get it locked in there. No, hold on. Got to get it locked in. See, there's yellow tabs right here on the front that have to lock in, okay? Daddy will get it here in a second. Let's see, I think that got it. Alright, you tighten that one down and Daddy will tighten this one down.
This is how you do it?
Yeah. Tighten it all the way down.
This one's good.
No, they can go tighter. You want them tight enough to where they're not going to come out. Daddy will finish tightening it. Alright. Alright, you put our stuff back in our bag and take it back over to the shop and Daddy will try to start it.
I'll take this back over to the shop.
Okay.
Or just put it in the bag.
Put it in the bag and take it over there. My little parts helper. Alright guys, let's see if she'll start it. May take her a minute. Because I just put a new fuel filter on her and she was running out of gas. So we'll see. Hopefully I don't kill the battery. And guys, when you put these fuel filters on, there's an arrow on them that shows the direction of flow right there. I don't know if you guys can see that on the video or not, but it points this way. And the other one was actually on backwards for some reason. Now, I have had problems with this style of air filter creating an air bubble and causing it to run funny. So just watch out for it. If it's a gravity fed mower, these don't work very well. But this one's got a fuel pump, so it should work fine. Alright guys, let's see if she's going to run. I still have to adjust the throttle cable, but I can deal with that later. We're going to see how it's going to run. Oh no, the battery's going to die on me. Must have killed it the other day when I was trying to run it. Alright guys, I'll come back to you. Alright guys, this is the conclusion for this video. I guess this is it for this little mower. And then we're going to send it back home. Give you a final look around and look at what all we're doing. There's a new fuel filter with fuel in it. Let's see if I can cut some of that glare so you can see it good. Yep, see fuel levels nice and clean in it. I'll get you a shot of the old fuel filter. All that black stuff floating around down there. Yeah, that fuel filter was shot and it smells horrible. Got the old battery defibrillator 5000 hooked up because my battery died on me. It is a brand new battery, so if it don't keep its charge, Home Depot will be giving me another battery. New air filter, valves adjusted. I didn't get the valves on video because that one was hard to do and it was hot. My phone kept overheating, so I wasn't able to get that footage. But they are adjusted to 5 thousandths each. Yes, that's fine. Go watch some Terrell Fixes All videos. Tires seem to be holding air good. Got us a new fuel cap on it. Still got some trash floating around in the fuel tank, but on these particular mowers, in order to get that fuel tank out, you have to take the body off. I done it once on that one, and it's not fun at all. Not fun. But the old fuel cap, the inside of it had deteriorated and fell down into the tank. I got what I could out. I'm hoping that don't affect it. And if it sucks any up, I know the fuel filter will stop it. So I'm not too worried about that. If it clogs up, I'll just take and clean it back out. Won't charge him nothing. Like I said, me and him are good friends anyway, so we don't worry about it too awful much. We don't worry about the little things. Alright guys, I'll get you a video of it running. And for some reason, this particular mower acts like the fuel shutoff valve kicks on whenever the choke's not on when you're trying to start it. Doesn't matter if it's been running for a few minutes. This mower won't start if the choke's not on. If you run it for a while and cut it off, it will not start back without that choke on. Cut the choke on. It's still got a little popping to it here and there. I think it may have a worn out cam or something to do with the valves. So I've went over everything and can't figure out what it is. But it runs like it is. So if it continues to get worse, I'll bring it back over here and figure it out. I've checked the spark. I've got spark on both cylinders. Valve adjustment's good. And it was doing this before I adjusted the valves, before anybody tries to say it was that. The valve specs on it are 4 to 7 thousandths, I believe is what I read online. These, I could fit an 8 and a 7 thousandths feeler gauge in at the same time. They were way off. So I got them readjusted back down to normal. But, you know, once again, it's still doing that popping, and it's just a slight pop while it's running. It's not enough to hinder the way it runs. It's just a slight pop. But I do know that something else on this mower, it's also got a blown pan gasket for the oil pan. Now, he doesn't want me to replace that yet, so we're going to monitor the oil level, and if it continues to get worse, we'll change it. Because that gasket is $43 by itself. That doesn't include me putting it on or anything like that, or whatever else I may find while I take it apart. But alright guys, I'll get you a shot with it closed up, and that's going to conclude this video. This has been a little John Deere L118. She's actually a pretty nice mower. I mean, usually the hoods are all destroyed on mowers of this age. Seat's not tore. Seat has no tears in it whatsoever. Tires are still decent. It's just got rust on the body. For some reason, the body on this one rusted out like that. But it's not all the way through. It's just surface rust. Somebody had painted it at one time. This one's got the roof rack options on it. You can put a canopy top on it. I'll show you guys what I mean about it not starting whenever you just started it. See, y'all just saw me run this mower. Oh, now it's going like see, now it's gonna make me a liar. That's not cool. Maybe it just had some old gas working through the lines or something. We'll see. We'll run it a few more times and see how it does. I'll take it over and cut some of his grass for him, and we'll go from there. I already tested out the blades. Everything works on it good. Alright guys, we're gonna shut the hood on this one and send her on home. Have a good weekend. Have fun. Do what you know best. Take care of your families, and above all else, live happy.